Magandang hapon po ng December 2, 2023 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m., 2D Lotto, and 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng December 2, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, December 2, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 2, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 38 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Saturday, December 2, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 2, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.